Are you talking to me? If I can get my hands on 5 more Titan Hero Effects toys, I can destroy half of humanity.
Web shooters engaged.
Started out just like a lovely story.
Spiderman, I need your toy.
Who are you?
I am Thanos, and I need to collect all 6 of the Titan Hero toys.
Well, you're not having this one.
You obviously don't know who I am. I am Thanos, and if I say I want that Titan Hero toy, then that's what I'm going to get.
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
Give me the Falcon Titan Hero toy.
I don't think so, you overgrown blueberry.
Listen, Falcon. The end of humanity is almost here. Just give me the Falcon figure.
No way! Hey! Take on someone your own size, Thanos!
But I'm bigger than you.
Bigger, hypothetically speaking.
What does hypothetically mean?
It means I'm Captain America, and I'm going to take back those toys.
No, you're not. But I'm going to take yours. That really hurt. I mean, really hurt. What on earth is that shield made of?
Vibranium and steel alloy. It's really good, isn't it?
Very strong stuff. Can I have a look? I love the slick design and the coloring.
Thank you. It's supposed to be iconic.
Hey guys, I'm sorry to interrupt, but you're supposed to be taking the Captain America toy, and you're supposed to be saving me.
Ah!
Captain, he's so strong.
He looks like he had steroids, but put them all in the wrong places.
Hello?
Hey Tony, guess who this is?
I don't know, Loki?
Guess again.
We don't have time for this, just tell me!
It's Captain America!
No way! I thought you weren't talking to me after the whole Team Iron Man thing.
I wasn't, but it's a serious situation with a guy called Thanos trying to destroy half of humanity.
Oh no, oh no! I guess that's why Thor is on his way to me with some special visitors.
Tony, we need a plan.
Don't worry, I'll think of something.
Give me that cheddar, we getting Rico. Big money rolls like burritos. Give me that hot sauce, no pico. Give me that, give me that. Give me my slippers, con mimosa. My limousine and my chauffeur. So don't know vias, no esposas.
Tony, let me introduce you to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
The what of the galaxy?
We're the Guardians of the Galaxy, and we're here to help you fight Thanos.
What?
Give me that.
Tell me his name again.
Thanos.
What's he doing?
Drax, what are you doing? I'm practicing my sneaking ability.
Wow.
Give me that. Bezos, jacuzzi and no te besos. Keep pulling that till I say so. Give me that. Give me that.
Apparently this Thanos guy now has Black Widow's toy.
So which toy is left?
My Iron Man toy.
One of is Iron Man.
That's me. But it's okay. It's in a secret place.
What kind of secret place?
Vision has it.
Well, we better go and protect it.
It's fine. I'll deal with it.
Doctor Strange.
Tony Stark here from the Avengers. I need your help to protect Vision.
Does that mean I'm an Avenger now?
No?
Well, then why don't you just send some Avengers to protect Vision?
Okay, I'll send an Avenger to accompany you.
Okay, cool. Who would it be? Thor? War Machine? Hulk?
Just wait and see.
When I'm done, half of humanity will still exist. Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
Hello?
Hi, Tony Stark sent me here to protect you.
Why didn't he send an Avenger?
He did apparently. He should be here any minute.
Haha, I was with you all along.
Ant-Man? But you're not even in Avengers Infinity War.
But this is a gorgeous movies version. They can do whatever they want.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's true.
Doctor Strange, you need to get us to Wakanda.
Why Wakanda?
Because Black Panther needs to get the Iron Man toy out of me.
Where is it?
It's in my belly.
No, I mean, where's Wakanda?
I have no idea.
Just use one of your portals.
Supervillain is trying to take over the world, and you're here playing with virtual reality toys?
Bruce, I'm not playing with toys. I'm practicing using augmented virtual reality.
You can't defeat him on your own, Tony. You're gonna need everyone's help.
I know, Bruce. That's why I've got the ultimate weaponry to defeat him. Now whip it into shape. This is the Nerf assembly gear, specially for Hulk.
Wow, that's so cool, Tony. Can't wait to take him on.
Peter, you're an Avenger now.
What? To take on that crazy Thanos guy? Why couldn't I be an Avenger when you took on that weird Whiplash guy? Why make me an Avenger now when it gets all dangerous?
Don't worry, Peter. I have another upgrade for you.
Whip it good. I say whip it. Whip it good.
Tony, where's mine? That's not fair.
When I'm done, half of humanity will still exist. Perfectly balanced, as all things should be. The end is near.
Don't worry, Vision will soon have the toy out of you.
Guys, I think Thanos is here. We must prepare ourselves for battle.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun.
Come on, my friend, we must go to battle.
Strange, do your magic and make me Hulk. Ah! What did you do that for? Ah!
So nice of you all to come here. Witness the end.
Sorry!
What sort of fun is that?
I'm okay, guys. I'm okay.
The toys are all mine! The last Titan hero toy is mine, Iron Man.
Give me that cheddar, we getting Rico. Big money rolls like burritos. Give me that hot sauce, no pico. Give me that, give me that. Give me my slippers, call me mimosa. My limousine,
Thanos, your time is up. Put your hands up. We've got you surrounded.
Seriously?
Listen, Thanos, the end is near for you. Let's settle this with a dance-off.
A dance-off? You've got to be kidding me.
Give me that. Give me that casa next to Jeff Bezos. Jacuzzi and all day pesos. Keep pouring that till I say so. Give me that. Give me that.